we are going to learn to find decimals of fractions that have denominators which are multiples of 10. We're going to start there with 4 over 10. 4 over 10 is the same as saying 4 divided by 10. This means we are trying to find how many tens can we find in 4. We know that we cannot find any 10 in 4. So we are now beginning to work on our answer already. We cannot find any 10 in 4. So there is 0 10 in 4. And we've got a remainder of, our remainder there is still 4. Now, for us to continue there, to use up the 4, we're going to put a comma there. And after putting a comma, this will allow us to add a 0 in front there. Now, we say 10 into 40. How many tens can we find in 40? It's 4. So our answer is simple. We have our answer is 0.4. So 4 over 10 is equals to 0.4. Let's suppose 43 over 10. This is the same as saying 43 divided by 10. Now, how many tens can we find in 43? We get 4 tens and remainder 3. For us to be able to work with this remainder, we are going to do like what we did previously. We put a comma here. When we put this comma there, we are going to add a 0 in front also there. Then we say 10 into 30, we're going to get 3. Therefore, our answer will be 4.3 that we have there. So, as you can see also here, if we are dividing by 10, it's simple. The comma will simply move from there to there, since every whole number is 0.0. 43 is the same as saying 43.0. 43, 0. So when we divide by 10, what simply happens is the comma moves from there to there for us to end up having 4.3. Things that we should remember are that any fraction is treated as a division when we are changing them to decimals. For example, if we say 3 over 10, this is the same as saying 3 divided by 10. Right, when we get to where we get a remainder, we put a comma, then we add a 0. Like here, we have 3 into 10, we get a 0. So I write my 0 there, right at that moment. What are we going to have there? A remainder of 3. Because I'm going to put a comma here, I'm going to add a 0 also there. Now it's 10 into 30, we get a 3. Now it's your turn, get some worksheets and practice.